How to scan QR code to connect Reolink camera. Connecting your Reolink camera to the app is often as simple as scanning a QR code. This method is fast and straightforward, getting your camera online in no time. Let's scan and connect. Open your Reolink app and ensure you're logged in. On the main screen, tap on the plus icon or Add Device button to begin adding a new camera. When presented with connection options, choose Scan QR code. This will activate your iPhone's camera for scanning. Make sure your Reolink camera is powered on and within reach. Carefully aim your iPhone's camera at the QR code located on your Reolink camera itself, or on the white sticker attached to it or its packaging. Hold your iPhone steady until the app successfully reads the code. It will then automatically guide you through setting password for the camera and connecting to your home Wi-Fi network if applicable. You can also manually input the UID and this interface will show you've successfully scanned the QR code to connect your Reolink camera. Enjoy seamless monitoring. Like and subscribe for more Reolink setup guides.